This is the original poster and here is the poster I created from the scratch. In this tutorial, I will guide you step by step through the process of designing a stunning Hollywood quality poster using a few simple Photoshop techniques. Open Photoshop and create a new file with the following settings. Go to the Layers panel and create a gradient adjustment layer. In the gradient options, open the basic folder and select the gradient shown. Change the gradient colors as I am showing you. And then click OK. Next, select the rectangle tool from the toolbar and set the fill color to black. Draw a rectangle to cover the left side of the canvas. To copy it to the right side, hold down Ctrl and Alt together while dragging. Now go to the File menu and select Place Embedded. Choose the picture you want and click Place. Next, pick any selection tool and in the tool menu, click Select Subject. Photoshop will automatically select the person in the image. With that selection, create a layer mask. Then press Ctrl and T to transform the layer and adjust the picture as needed. To duplicate the layer, press Ctrl and J. Rename the bottom layer to Reflection. Right click on it and choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl and T to transform the layer. Then right click and select Flip Vertical. Adjust the image to look like a reflection. Right click again and select Warp to fine tune it. Now select the both layers and group them, and rename the group to Subject. Next, create an exposure adjustment layer above the group. First, click this icon to create a clipping mask. Then increase the gamma correction and exposure. Now create a gradient adjustment layer. Change the blending mode to multiply. Right click and create a clipping mask. Go to the gradient adjustment, select the basic gradient and apply 3 different shades of red in the 3 stops. just like I'm doing. After that, select the gradient fill 1 layer, go to the toolbar and select the rectangle tool. Draw a black line like this. Right click on the rectangle layer, convert it to a smart object. Then go to the filter menu, select blur and apply Gaussian blur. Now create a new layer, select the brush tool and choose a light red color. Increase the brush size and click on the canvas. Reduce the opacity to make it look softer. Next, select the reflection layer, go to the filter menu, choose blur and apply Gaussian blur with the radius of 4 pixels. Then go to the filter menu again, select blur and this time apply motion blur. Adjust the settings and click OK. Now select the mask of the smart filter, go to the toolbar and choose the brush tool with the black as a color. Set the flow to around 9% and start painting over the reflection to reduce some blurriness. Now it looks great. Finally, add your text, title and other elements to complete the design. And there you have it. I hope you learned something new from this video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep designing.